Hello, welcome back to Igbo Online College. No, Rine. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you in a special way. If you're a returning subscriber, I welcome you and thank you for sticking to this channel. In this channel, I teach you everything Igbo, the Igbo language, literature, and culture. And you are free, of course, to ask me any question bordering on the Igbo language, literature, or culture, and be assured that you will be attended to. All right, today I want to continue with verbs of eating. Verbs of eating. Today I'm going to talk about ilo. Ilo, to swallow. Ilo, to swallow. So ilo is to swallow. When we are eating fufu, eba, fufu, we swallow. Lo, there are things we swallow. We use the verb ilo for. When we are eating those things, we use the verb ilo to describe eating those things. Example is swallow. When you're eating, what I call swallow here is the food that Igbo people mold. You mold it with your hand. Some people use fork now to eat it, but the cultural thing is that you mold it with your hand, dip it in the soup, and then put it in your mouth and swallow it. Even though some people chew, some people don't even swallow it, but the majority of Igbo people swallow it. So we say, onelo utara. He or she is swallowing utara. But in proper English, it means he or she is eating utara. Whatever the utara might be. It could be gari. It could be apple. It could be amala. It could be ji, utara ji. Ji is yam. So it could be semovita. It could be semolina. It could be wheat. Everything swallow is utara. Onelo utara. So when you're taking drug, you also say onelo, lo ogu, onelo ogu. But when somebody is on drug, you say ona ogu. That is when you are on drug. Ona ogu. You can also say ona ogu, meaning the person is taking the drug. You also say onelo ogu. When you are taking down your spittle, you say onelo aso, lo aso. So when you're taking down spittle, you use ilo to swallow. When you're taking drug, you can use ilo to swallow. When you're taking fufu, you use ilo. So that is it for today. I plead with you, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like and comment. And I will see you in my next video. Que